Getting an English one. I might get a robotic too. Let it.
Scoreboard number 10, Jared Ramos. Fillmore's up 1, I think.
I want to visit people.
Got it. Wow.
Wait, this is like my breathing a lot. I don't know. Oh. You heard? For who?
Wait.
Yeah, okay. And so he thinks like,
He's in the line.
he shoot a few shots already, like onto that. And I'm like, they're going to be kidding me, because I don't know.
Even your dad must have looked I drink both, bruh.
That was crazy. See, like, I could have done that.
Number 10, Jared Ramos.
Like, you would have hit that first.
2-0 Fillmore.
Like that connection, bro.
Who's he better than?
Danny, they don't have forks.
They don't have forks. No fault. Oh, I love it. Yeah, you better.
Any, like, you can, and it'll be friendly to you.
Yeah! It was Hector.
Hey, Sergio, you got that?
Just me.
A little harder.
Go paint guy. Go for the shit. You're so popular. Yeah, wait.
And Manny, remember you.
And it was you too.
Now wait. You know, wait. Go.
Yeah.
He cooks.
So then it's funny if you do basketball.
Wait, watch out.
Or what if I buy all the guys Kenyan shirts?
This game is just counterattack.
All expensive.
Yes, King. I love blue food.
No.
Yay!
And I go.
Ahí está.
Score by number 8, Angel.
¿Qué te dije, güey?
4-0 Fillmore.
Oh. Me llega hasta el corner.
Luch.
No es cierto, güey. No. ¡Ahí está! Chilena. Uy, se iba a tirar el güey. Mira, güey. Mira.
Hector number 7. It's 5-0 Fillmore. Halftime, baby. 5-0.
No.
Scored by number 13 from Carp. It's 5-1 Fillmore, up by 4.
Ahí está. Se la va.
Oh, this is 25.
Wait, does Jerry have a hat trick?
He has two. Who's running the track?
Italian, that one.
Titan is some of
Number 10. Number 10.
Oh,
madre! ¡Chilena! Se lo está pasando quito, güey. ¡Entero! ¡Ay, bueno, peca! ¡Se fue! ¡Se fue! No se ve por la luz. La tiró la mierda. ¡Mira,
Oh. Wow.
oh Scored by number 7, Hector. 6-1 Fillmore. Madrid.
Remember playing with him against Santos? Oh, that's way hard.
Yeah.
Sí, güey.
Like, I don't know.
¡Ya sáquenlo, güey!
Run. They would have scored if you caught it. What color were your feet? Yeah.
Ya se ve, se la va.
I would probably get pink to be honest. I really like this. Yeah.
Él fue el que lo sacó, güey. Sí, güey. Sí pasa así, güey, no, ¿verdad? ¿Qué te pasa? Como que, like, you freeze, güey. No mames, güey. ¿Qué hago, güey? ¿Qué hago? You have to react quick, ¿no? Te cogen.
I think so. I think we're wearing the same ones. You tell me.
Ahí está. Ahí está.
Yeah, you still want to
Ahí está.
I can see him play some shit.
¡No! ¿Para dónde va el perro? ¡Epa!
Number 2 on Carp just got a red card. He's out of the game.
¡Qué golazo, güey! ¡Qué golazo, güey!
¿Qué verga es eso?
¡Pásale! ¡Madrid! Punto.
Yeah, he's gonna see the
That's the ball game. Fillmore wins 6-1 and are going to the CIF playoff.
Record the scoreboard.
See, I'll do that type of thing.
CIF playoff bound. Good team right here. I'm here with
Danny Medina.
How was the game, bro?
It was pretty solid. We played good.
How about the hat trick you scored? How did that make you feel, bro?
I scored.
Hey, y'all talking to Miguel Rincon right here, baby.
Oh yeah, the 3 goals I scored. Yeah, they're pretty solid, you know.
How do you feel about going to the CIF playoffs?
Solid. We're gonna win CIF. All right,
thanks for your time, bro. I'm here with
Jordan Ramos.
How was the game, bro?
It was a very good game. You know, I had a very good senior night. I'm grateful to put in 2 goals in the back of the net, and thank you for my teammate for the assist.
Who assisted for you?
My first one was Indio Avila, and I'm not sure the second one.
How do you feel about going to the CIF playoffs?
I'm excited. I hope we can do great things in CIF for Fillmore.
All right, congratulations, bro.
Thank you.
All right, I'm here with
Angel Avila.
How's the game, bro?
You know, very good game. Senior night. We got that done for the seniors, and that's how we had to do it.
How do you feel about going to the CIF playoffs?
You know, we had to keep on working and improve as a team, work together. And right here with one of my seniors, we gotta get that ring.
All right, thanks, bro.